What's up, YouTube? It's Elon, and I'm back again on another video. Today, for you guys, I'm gonna be showing you my after washing style method. What you're gonna need for this after washing style method, is a good moisturizer. I use double buttercream as I am. You'll need a moisturizer and then a sealant. So like a oil. Any type of oil you have is fine. If you got coconut oil, that's great. One of the most natural oils you could get. And then of course you're gonna need a medium and a soft brush. So, alright, you guys, let me unwrap. After washing style, your hair is already laid, so you don't need to brush it to lift it back up. So, I'm gonna take my moisturizer. You wanna add just a little bit more than a dime size amount. Cause remember your hair is dry, no products after this washing style, so think about that much. And just apply it to your pattern the same way you do with any other product. Basically, you just want to get your medium brush now and just go on a good session, a lengthy session. Not too long because you still got to put the oil and then, soft brush. I say you take your medium brush for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're going to take your oil, put that on top as a sealant, and then you're going to brush that with your soft brush for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you rag up. Alright, you guys, and that is the end of the video. You know, like, comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And those to you guys again, and thank you for 500 subscribers. I really appreciate it. So just stay tuned. You know, I've got a lot of content dropping. I got a giveaway coming soon. So just stay tuned. And as always, stay wavy.